I'm guessing you're in a period of your life where you're lonely, like you don't have many friends right now, or maybe you do have friends, but the people you're around, you just don't feel very close to them. They don't feel like your friends. And you probably deserve that, to be honest. And I know this is gonna sound cruel, but if you listen to the video and listen to what I have to say, you'll understand why you don't deserve friends right now. You deserve to be lonely. You deserve to be in the situation you're in. But I'm also going to show you a way to fix it. So you can make friends, so you can actually get into a position where you're around people who you actually enjoy being around, where you have this fulfilling social life and you have these trustworthy connections where you keep improving alongside these like amicable people who you trust. And I think that's a really pleasurable reality. So if you want that, watch the video to the end, and also to support the channel, make sure you subscribe. You know, isn't it weird that you aren't friends with the people you want to be friends with? Maybe I'm the only one who's thought like this ever, but I just find it strange. Why am I not surrounded by the people I want to be surrounded by? Is it just that I'm unfortunate? I want to be surrounded by these guys who are high quality, like they go to the gym, they want to improve themselves, they have all these values, they're like me. And I can't find them. Why am I not friends with them? Why am I not surrounded by these people who are like high level? Obviously, it could just be that I'm not near them. Like I'm in some small town in the UK and all of these high level people have probably moved. Like these high level, no one stays in the UK. These high level people are probably in, you know, like Bali, Dubai, like all of these other higher countries. But is that really it? Why am I not tight with Elon right now? Like Elon Musk, why am I not his best buddy? Like we are bros, we entrust everything to each other. Why am I not friends with Elon Musk right now? Why are you not friends with Jeff Bezos right now? Like why is this the... I know this sounds silly, but why is this the case? Why are we not friends with these high level people? Do you think if you were to meet these people in the real world, you would become friends with them? Like let's say randomly, you just see Jeff Bezos walking around the street. Would you be friends with him? Like would you be able to talk to him and like become his friend? Or do you think you just get shunned away? I'd beg to differ that he wouldn't want to be friends with you. But that brings up the question, why is that the case? Because it's not just luck, that's a component. But either way, even if we were lucky, we wouldn't be able to take the opportunities we get. So what's the problem? Why are we not in the position we want to be, where we have all these friends who we actually want to be around? And the conclusion I've arrived at is that friendship is a transaction. It's a transactional relationship. You need to understand that the foundation of friendship is value. Now this may sound very shallow, like it may sound like I don't care about just enjoying each other's company. But think about it. Let's say you are this high performer, and maybe you are, I really hope you are. You're going to the gym consistently, you're working out, you're working hard on your pursuits, your career, your business. You have your entire life going for you. It's looking hopeful. It's a hopeful and bright future. And there's this guy who's trying to be your friend and he's fat. He looks lazy. You can smell his like disgusting breath because he doesn't brush his teeth deep. Like he doesn't brush his tongue. It's disgusting. And he's not confident as well. He has like this bad posture and he's talking to you like this basically. Like some retard. That's what he's doing. Imagine having to be friends with him. Do you really think you'd want to? You wouldn't. It's not even just about luck. It's about the fact that he's not providing the same level of value that you're providing. You're like this confident guy, you're funny, you're nice to be around, you have all this energy, you're making money, you have this good physique, you have status, you're good at talking to people, you have all of this, and he has nothing to provide for you. You don't even enjoy being around him. You don't. Obviously, no one would want to be around someone like that. So the basis of friendship is value. Now, of course, it's not literally like a shop where I give you one thing, you give me the same thing or something. But the point is, you both need to kind of feel like you're getting your worth out of the friendship. If it feels one-sided, eventually you're going to want to cut the other person off. And value can come in a lot of different ways, but I think there's 3 specific ways. There is status. So this is kind of the level of your person. Being jacked. If you have tons of muscle, you have a lot more status immediately. Like just walking around with someone who's buff, it makes you just look cooler. It makes you look more menacing. You're friends with these people who work hard to protect their body. You have enjoyability. Just being a fun person to hang around. If you aren't fun to hang around, the entire basis of friendship just falls apart. And here's the thing. I guarantee you that you are fun to be around. Like if I got teleported to your location right now, let's just say right now I'm just teleported, the video cuts off and I'm teleported to you. I bet if you were being yourself, completely authentic to you, we'd have a blast. We'd have like the funnest conversation ever. If I got teleported to you, we probably wouldn't. Because you wouldn't be yourself, you wouldn't be authentic, you'd be nervous, you'd be hiding your true self. You'd have an idea of something to say and you wouldn't say it because you think it wouldn't sit right with me. You'd have a joke to say and you'd think, no, I shouldn't say that joke to him because he may get offended or he may think of me more negatively. But unlike you, I would just say what's on my mind. I wouldn't be hiding. I have nothing to hide. And the third factor is obviously just usefulness. Can you work efficiently? Can you be like good when it comes to working with them? Are you trustworthy? Things like that. We have these 3 factors and you can probably achieve them all right now. And I don't want to overestimate you, but if you're the type of person who's watching a video like this barely edited video where there's like just me, no random like gunfire shots and fire, just me giving you advice, you're already like a diamond in the rough, bro. If you refine yourself and polish your skills and listen to this advice and actually implement it, I guarantee you that you'll actually achieve all of this. The first thing you need to focus on is confidence. This is so important. Confidence is one of the most important skills nowadays. I can't stress enough how many people I meet who have no confidence. I'm quite a confident person. I mean, this entire channel is based on confidence. I'll go out and I'll talk to someone and they'll literally want to talk to me. They'll be trying to ask me questions, but they just seem so reserved and so like not in their own body. It won't be fun talking to them. Like I'll say something, and this is something about me. If I want to talk to someone, I'll make my answers very easy to follow up on. So they'll ask me a question, like something along the lines of, oh, where are you from? And I'll say something like, oh yeah, I've been around the block, I've been in England, and I've been in different parts of England, like London, Luton, different places, moved to Scotland. I'll give like a brief summary, and they can comment on any of it. Right, it's very easy to extend upon a conversation when the other person makes it easy. They could ask me, oh, how was Luton? How was London? They can say all of this. I make conversations quite easy. Not to gas myself up here. And they just won't pick up on any of it. Like they won't have the confidence to just like pick up on it and maybe like talk in a good, fun manner. Maybe I can't explain this the best way, but it's not fun talking to people who aren't confident, who don't say what's on their mind. Like it's an interview. That's what it is. It's literally an interview. They're asking me interview questions. We're sitting down. Oh, where were you born? Oh, I was born. It's boring. It's boring and it's not fun, and I don't want to talk to people like that. They don't even have good energy. It's like they're NPCs, they're robots, bro. If you improve your confidence by just trying to talk to tons of different people and be yourself and be authentic as much as possible, you'll start to notice that you're funner to be around. Because authentically, you probably are a fun person to be around, you just aren't being authentic. As you keep doing this, you'll become more authentic, you'll be able to carry good conversations, you'll become fun to be around. Enjoyability. You'll be confident, which is a very high leverage skill. This will help you in business, it'll help you in your career, it'll help you in every single aspect of your life. You'll feel more in your own body. This will help you in every aspect, including improving your value. If you want to get confident very quickly, you can check out the top link in the description. It's the social protocol. The next thing is status, and that comes down to your achievements, like being this guy who just gets respect from others for what you've done. In order to do this, you need to amass as many achievements as possible. I don't want you to start doing things that you don't like at all. I won't go and try and become world #1 at basketball just for the achievement of it. Because I don't like basketball. It's a boring game to me. It's not very fun. I know it's ironic. I know what you're thinking, right? I know what you're thinking right now. No, I don't enjoy basketball. But for example, right now I'm training for a table tennis tournament. If I win that tournament, that's an achievement to my name. If I talk to someone, I can be like, oh yeah, I won the Scottish National Class Championships. That's a cool thing, that's interesting, it's something about me. For the things you're pursuing, focus solely on them and become good at them and amass achievements, so then you become higher status. Imagine if you've been dabbling in table tennis a little bit and I talk to you and I'm like, oh yeah, I got first place in the Scottish National Championships. You'll be like, whoa, what? I just started playing volleyball recently. How did you do that? Whoa, what? Give me some tips, bro. And immediately I've positioned myself as an authority. Now I'm literally teaching you. I'm teaching you how to get better at this game, even if it is brief. And it improves your respect for me. Now you can see I'm doing things. I have things to my name. So if right now, for example, you're doing like boxing training, go into a boxing match, try and fight. Try and win a few boxing matches and you can say, oh yeah, I fought in a boxing match a few months ago and this is what happened. It's such a cool story. It's an achievement. It shows that you're willing to take risks and do things. You aren't just some weird guy confined to your house. And the final thing is to make money. This is so important because this gives you the ability to go to these different places. We were talking about luck before, how the people you want to meet probably aren't near you. Well, then you just move near them. Go to these places where they are, but you need money. To become useful to people, money is a huge factor. Like, have connections, make money so you can actually support them. And of course that's very difficult. That requires you having a very good career or pursuing a business and becoming successful in it. But it certainly is possible if you work towards it. And of course you'll have to decide for yourself, which of these are the most important for you right now? Is it making money? Then maybe this is a chapter of your life where you need to focus on making money. That should be your sole goal. Or maybe right now it's your achievements. Maybe there's some sort of sport you're pursuing and you want to become the best. Do it. Get into like some club tournaments, get into the best of the best and get some achievements. But I hope right now it's your confidence, it's your social skills, because, well, this is a social skills channel. If you check out the top link in the description, I have the social protocol there. It is a guide that teaches you exactly how to get from not knowing how to socialize to being good at socializing, making friends, talking to girls, etc. There are weekly calls with me where you can ask me personal questions or advice for your life, and I'll see you in there. Remember, consistency is over a lifetime. Bye bye.